welcome back to my channel. Today I have May's Inku unboxing video for you. These boxes, I don't know, they came a little later than expected, so that's why I feel like there's a bit of a delay in unboxing them, but hopefully you'll enjoy it nonetheless. I'm excited to see what is in May's box. Alright, so let's just get right into it. So, ooh, this is a pen stand. I've seen these quite a lot on places like Yes Style and more online stationery stores that focus more on like kawaii stationery, Japanese. I've never actually bought one before though. They look pretty useful, but I didn't know if it would suit my desk. But now, now that I have this one, I guess I'll give it a shot. So essentially you have it like, I don't know how to show it here, like here upright onto your table, and then you can put pens in here. And the good thing about it is that your pens kind of are diagonal this way, so you can grab them really easily. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, so you have 4 compartments, so you can separate them accordingly. But yeah, I'm kind of really excited to try this. I've always wanted to try them. Alright, so we've got a pencil, which I'm not going to try because it's not sharpened at all, but it's really cute. It's got this like little unicorn on it, the tip. And then we have, glue. All right, I'm pretty sure this is glue. When I saw it in the little booklet, I was like, this is jelly, but no, I'm pretty sure this is glue. Yeah, glue. So I won't open it yet. If you usually open it, they have this like stopper here. The minute you open it, it starts to dry out. That's why I'm not going to open it till I'm actually about to use it. I don't really need to yet because I still have plenty of glue to get through. And then we have these pens. I'm not sure what brand this is. Just standard glitter pens. I'll try this at the end of the video, see what they're like. We have this beautiful canary-like clip. And we have some washi tape. Oh, dolphin washi tape. I don't know if you guys know, because I don't ever talk about it, but dolphins are actually my favorite animal. You'd think they'd be cats just because I have so many cats and I love cats so much, but prior to cats, since a child, I've always loved dolphins. So I don't know if you can, let me take this out. It doesn't look like a very big roll of washi tape. It seems quite light. Yeah, it's definitely thin, so I think you only get like, I don't know if it states it anywhere. I feel like you'd get like a meter or something. There's nothing that states how long it is. Oops. If I zoom in a little bit more, it might be a bit easier to see. But yeah, you can kind of see pink dolphin, blue dolphin. It's cute. Okay, and then we have some stickers, non-iron print. Oh, okay, so these aren't actually standard stickers, are they? It sounds like you can actually put them on clothing and cloth items, but you don't need to iron them. So you just kind of press them on like you would and rub it down with a coin, and then it should stick. That's interesting. 2 more items. This is so cool because it's Animal Crossing, and I love Animal Crossing. To be honest, when the pandemic hit, the Animal Crossing game on the Switch came out around the same time. It was perfect, like absolutely perfect timing, because basically all my time went into this game. I don't play it much anymore. I think this is origami paper. You can cut out the characters, or you can just use it as standard origami paper for whatever you want. I don't really play the game anymore now. It's been like 2 years, and I've just moved on to other games. But I think it's the same, yeah, same design. It's all the same design, but it's just origami paper you can use for whatever you want. That's so cool. I love Animal Crossing so much. And then the last one is kind of like a clear folder. This is from the Sanex line. Yeah, Sanex line. I want to grow bigger. So cute. But yeah, you can store whatever you want in here. I'd probably store like stickers or like important documents. But it's about A5 size, about the size of a Hobonichi cousin. So yeah, not A4. But yeah, that is everything in the May Inku crate unboxing video. Let's go try out these pens. Alright, so I've got a bit of like, this is from like the last unboxings. So I'm just kind of reusing the paper as best I can. So I don't think these have names on them. They're just, to be honest, they feel more like generic glitter pens. Actually, I'm going to do it this way up so that I like utilize most of the paper. So let's see what this one is like. They write really smooth, yeah, really smooth. And I don't know if you can tell. I'll just shift it a little so you can see the glitter. It's really glittery though. I really like it. These remind me a little bit of the Sakura pens. Not sure why I'm writing glitter in terrible cursive, but there we go. They're definitely on the thicker side, so like maybe 1 millimeter. But you can tell they're not particularly branded in any way. Okay, this pink one needs a little bit more finessing to get it out, get the ink flowing. But once the ink is flowing, they write really smoothly, super smooth, which is kind of what you expect from thicker pens, right? Generally what I find is that the wider the tip, the smoother the ink will flow, just because there's more surface area. But yeah, those are all the colors. They are incredibly glittery. And yeah, love them. Alright, so that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.